Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur.
And I am Ruchi Sharma. Bitcoin surged to a high of $62,000, breaking the $60,000 barrier for the first time since August. This price rally came on the heels of the Federal Reserve's announcement of a 0.5% interest rate cut on September 18, 2024. The move has increased market liquidity, which boosted investor sentiment towards risky assets like Bitcoin.
So, Ethereum followed Bitcoin's positive momentum, gaining around 6% to reclaim the $2,700 level, but has receded back to $2,539. And simultaneously, the other major cryptocurrencies also saw notable gains. Talking about Ripple, Polkadot, they all experienced increased buying interest, with market players optimistic about their long-term prospects amid favorable macroeconomic conditions.
The meme coin market cap surged to nearly $45 billion, with certain cat-themed tokens standing among the best performers. Nero saw explosive growth up to 1,400% monthly and has a market cap of $350 million. This growth was driven by major exchange listings and surpassing trading volumes of other leading memes.
That's correct. Meanwhile, on September 16, MicroStrategy founder Michael Saylor announced that the firm was planning its third debt offering this year, aiming to raise around $700 million by issuing convertible senior notes. So the figure is the aggregate principal amount, and there is an option for an additional $105 million in notes that mature in September 2028.
The firm stated that it intends to use the net proceeds from this offering to pay off existing debt and redeem $500 million in outstanding senior secured notes, and to use part of the proceeds to acquire additional Bitcoin, reinforcing its commitment to its BTC strategy.
Moving on, Palo Alto-based crypto custody firm BitGo has launched a new stablecoin, USDS, that is set to go live in Jan 2025.
The company says the stablecoin will be fully backed by US dollars through a mix of short-term treasury bills, overnight repos, and cash in a bid to ensure liquidity and minimize risk.
Also, BitGo says that it will offer real-time proof of reserves, allowing participants to keep an eye on the assets backing it on the platform's website.
In a recent development in the WazirX hack, the international cryptocurrency exchange Binance has released a statement distancing itself from WazirX as the $235 million hack brought to light a contentious relationship between the two exchanges.
So while WazirX claims to have been acquired by Binance, Binance clarified in a blog post that it did not own, control, or operate WazirX at any time, including before, during, or after the July 2024 attack.
While a contract had been signed between the parties, the proposed transaction never closed due to Zetai's failure to perform its obligations. Binance also criticized WazirX's handling of the cyber attack, which resulted in the loss of customer funds.
Elsewhere, the Frankfurt Public Prosecutor's Office, through its Central Office for Combating Internet Crime, and the German Federal Criminal Police Office have successfully shut down 47 cryptocurrency exchange services hosted in Germany.
So these platforms were found to be facilitating large-scale money laundering by failing to implement anti-money laundering measures such as the Know Your Customer protocol. This lack of compliance allowed criminals to conceal the origins of illicit funds, leading to violations under German laws.
In another news, Singaporean authorities have launched an investigation into the sale of WorldCoin accounts and tokens, suspecting that such activities may breach the country's Payment Services Act of 2019.
The probe centers around 7 individuals allegedly involved in the unauthorized sale of WorldCoin-related services, including third-party transactions of accounts and tokens.
So, meanwhile, Solana Labs' mobile subsidiary, Solana Mobile, has announced the launch of its second crypto-focused smartphone, the Seeker, which will ship in 2025. The new device, unveiled during the Token 2049 event in Singapore, promises hardware and software improvements over its predecessor, Saga.
Designed as a Web3 device, the phone combines sleek hardware and advanced software. It also has a lighter, brighter build, an upgraded camera, extended battery life, and a more affordable price than Saga.
That's quite interesting, and sold the native crypto of Layer 1 blockchain Solana, and the fifth largest cryptocurrency by market cap, also surged over 6% in the past 24 hours amid the Solana's Mobile 2.0 announcement.
Lastly, former United States President Donald Trump has demonstrated his support for digital assets on September 18th by treating his supporters to burgers at a New York bar and paying with BTC.
Wow, the Trump-themed meme coin MAGA jumped 6.5% over the past 12 hours to reach $2.13. However, the asset has been battered over the past 7 days, dropping 25% after Trump survived a second assassination attempt.
Well, that's all in the weekly wrap for now. This is me, Ruchi Sharma, signing off.
And this is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off. For more such updates, keep watching 3.0 TV and do log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code. Have a great weekend.